Let's be real for a second. How many times have you looked in the mirror and promised yourself, okay, today's the day. Today, I'm finally going to get serious about my English. You feel that burst of energy, right? But then, life happens. You get tired, work gets crazy, or you just feel awkward trying to speak. We've all been there. It's that little voice in your head that whispers, not today, maybe tomorrow. But here is the truth nobody tells you. That voice is the only thing standing between you and your dreams. Today, we're going to silence that voice. We're going to smash every single excuse holding you back. Welcome back, guys. I am so hyped to have you here today because the vibe is completely different. We aren't just learning grammar rules today. We are fixing the mindset. We are talking about becoming the version of yourself that actually speaks fluent English. So, let's jump right into the biggest, most popular excuse in the book. You know the one. I hear it every single day. I just don't have time. Look, I get it. We are all busy. You have work, school, family, maybe a side hustle. You come home, you're exhausted, and the last thing you want to do is open a textbook for 2 hours. But here's the secret that changes everything. You do not need 2 hours. You don't even need 1 hour. That old school idea that you have to sit at a desk with a lamp and a heavy book to learn, throw that out. That is ancient history. Real learning happens in the gaps. It happens in the margins of your life. Think about your day. How much time do you spend scrolling through your phone, or waiting for the bus, or just waiting for your coffee to brew? Those are your golden minutes. If you have 5 minutes, you have time to learn English. Let me give you a strategy that I like to call the narrator. When you are washing dishes, don't just zone out. Narrate what you are doing. Say out loud, I am washing the white plate. The water is warm. I need more soap. It sounds simple, right? Maybe a little funny, but this is how you connect English to your real life. You aren't carving out extra time. You are just layering English on top of what you are already doing. You are building the habit without losing any free time. There's a viral idea going around about how to learn English fast, and the core of it isn't studying harder, it's studying smarter. It's about integration. If you're stuck in traffic, listen to a podcast. If you're at the gym, listen to English music. Suddenly, you aren't too busy. You're just living your life, but in English. The "it's too hard" trap. Now, let's tackle the second monster under the bed, the feeling that English is just too difficult. I see this all the time. People look at English like it's this gigantic, scary mountain. You look up at the peak, which is perfect fluency, and you think, there is no way I can climb that. I'm not smart enough. My brain doesn't work that way. First off, stop that. Your brain is perfectly fine. The problem isn't your brain, the problem is your view. When you look at the whole mountain, of course you feel small. Anyone would. So stop looking at the top of the mountain. Look at your feet. Just take one step. You don't need to know every word in the dictionary today. You don't need to speak like a Hollywood actor by next week. You just need to be 1% better than you were yesterday. That is it. Small victories are the key here. If you learn how to order your favorite coffee in English today, that is a win. Celebrate it. Feel good about it. If you learn the lyrics to one chorus of a song, that is a massive victory. A lot of people get stuck because they try to translate everything perfectly in their heads. There's a great concept called stop translating in your head that helps with this. Instead of trying to translate a complex sentence from your native language, just use the simple English words you know. Keep it basic. If you can't say, I would like to purchase a beverage, just say, I want water, please. It works, doesn't it? You got your water. You communicated. That is success. Don't let the idea of difficulty stop you. Make it easy on yourself. Start with things you actually like. If you love cooking, watch recipe videos in English. If you love soccer, watch the game commentary in English. When you're having fun, your brain forgets that it's working. It just soaks up the information. The fear of mistakes. Okay, we need to have a serious talk about the scariest excuse of them all. This is the one that paralyzes people. It freezes you up. It's the fear of looking stupid, the fear of making mistakes. I know the feeling. Your heart starts beating fast, your palms get sweaty, and you think, if I use the wrong verb, everyone is going to laugh at me. So what do? You stay silent. You stay in your safe zone. But I want you to visualize something with me. Think about a baby learning to walk. When a baby stands up, takes a shaky step, and falls down, do we point and laugh? Do we say, wow, that baby is bad at walking? No, of course not. We clap, we cheer, we say, get up, you can do it. Why don't we treat ourselves like that? Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your best friends. Every time you make a mistake, it's proof that you are trying. It's proof that you are pushing your boundaries. If you never make a mistake, it means you're staying in the safe zone. And guess what? Nothing grows in the safe zone. You have to be willing to be cringe for a minute to be fluent for a lifetime. There's a saying I love: communication, not perfection. That should be your mantra. Your goal isn't to be a walking grammar book. Your goal is to connect with another human being. Most people are actually super nice. If you're speaking with a native speaker and you stumble or use the wrong word, they're not judging you. Usually they're impressed. They appreciate that you are making the effort to speak their language. They want to help you, not hurt you. So embrace the mess. Laugh at yourself. If you say the wrong word, just smile and correct it. A smile is literally the best grammar you can use. It relaxes you, and it relaxes the person you're talking to. Segment 4. Age and money. Let's move on to two other big excuses I hear constantly. I'm too old and I'm too broke. Let's start with age. I hear people say, oh, I'm 40, I'm 60, my brain is too old for new tricks. That is a total myth. Science has proven this wrong over and over again. Your brain is plastic, not like a water bottle, but meaning it can change and mold. It's called neuroplasticity. Learning a language is actually the best thing you can do for an aging brain. It's like going to the gym for your mind. It keeps you sharp, it keeps you young. So whether you are 18 or 80, your brain is ready. The only thing stopping you is the belief that you can't do it. And then there's the money excuse. I can't afford expensive classes. I don't have money for a tutor. Guys, look at us right now. You are listening to this. This is free. We are living in the golden age of information. The internet is full of free podcasts, free videos, free articles. You can go to the library and get books for $0. You can find language exchange partners online who want to learn your language, and you can swap time for free. You don't need a heavy wallet to learn English. You just need a little bit of grit and a plan. Don't let money be the wall that stops you. There is always a way around it if you want it bad enough. Segment 5. The I'll Start Monday Trap. Finally, we have to talk about the most dangerous procrastination trap in the world, the I'll Start on Monday trap. Why is it always Monday? Why not Tuesday? Why not right now? We tell ourselves, I'll start next week when things settle down. But let's be honest, things never settle down. Next Monday comes and you're busy again, so you push it to the next Monday. It's a vicious cycle. Waiting for the perfect time is a guarantee that you will never start. There is no perfect time. There is only this time. You need to take action today, not in an hour, now. And I don't mean you need to study for 3 hours today. I mean, do one small thing. Learn one new word right after this video ends. Change the language settings on your phone to English. Listen to one song and read the lyrics. Just break the cycle of waiting. Momentum is everything. Once you take that first step, the second step is easier, and then the third step is even easier. Imagine where you could be in 6 months if you just stopped making excuses today. Imagine the conversations you could have. Imagine the job opportunities. Imagine the travel. It's all waiting for you, but you have to rise up and take it. So here is my challenge to you. No more, I'm too busy. No more, it's too hard. No more, I'm too old. Today is the day you rise. I want you to make a promise to yourself, not to me, but to yourself. Commit to just 10 minutes a day. That's it. You can do anything for 10 minutes. If this video gave you a little spark of motivation, if you felt that fire in your chest, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and helps us reach more people who need to hear this message. And if you want to stay on this journey with us, if you want to make English a part of your daily life without the stress, hit that subscribe button for 10-Minute English Academy. We are building a community of people who are done with excuses and ready to win. Share this video with a friend who keeps saying they don't have time. Let's hold each other accountable. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. You guys are amazing. Remember, small steps lead to big places. Start today. I'll see you in the next video.